Done. Last screw. Ceiling's up.
Yeah.
It doesn't look that good now. Maybe the holes might be a bit like, what the hell?
Yeah.
But that's what we're going for, like a countryside style ceiling.
Well, either we're gonna put now lights on the holes, like.
Or we're gonna fill the holes up from the other side with wood.
Yeah.
Either way, there's insulation going on top and waterproofing, so it's actually
No, first
not gonna
waterproofing and then
yeah,
insulation.
and then insulation. It's not gonna be any see-through, nothing. So either if we left it even the gaps, it would look perfectly fine. And the round edges is gonna be all sealed up with the how's it called, plastering.
Yeah.
Plastering and cement is gonna go on top because the walls need a bit of rebuilding. There's a big giant hole there and some other holes. Here it's pretty perfect where it's already plastered, but might plaster a bit over it. So. I don't know if we want to plaster on the wood because it's gonna look ugly, but we can clean the plaster off the wood. So
we'll see. So now I'm gonna go and lock them. Well, I don't know. Lock them and that's it for today.
One needs to do the top and one needs to do the bottom.
Yeah.
Well, do you want to look up or do you want to look down?
So let's lock the ceiling. Done! How do you like it? It has been the next day. It has dried not 24 hours yet, but close to 24 hours. It's pretty much dry. We like it also from the top to keep it safe. Keep it safe. Yeah, well, from rotting. So, how do you like it? I like it. It's a bit dark. So, for the gaps, we don't know how to do it really. Either we're gonna put other sticks between to make it fully block it out from light. Well, it's not gonna theoretically have light, but I would like to put some lights, like LED straps maybe, or something else. Just make it a bit brighter because that room is small and doesn't have any window, so I want to have as much light as possible. So it would look very cool if we could put lights on top of that. But that's what we're gonna do tomorrow. Look at lights. So yeah. Oh yeah, that's a window. That's a fake window. That's gonna be a decoration video if you wanna see it. It's coming up after we finish the ceiling, the floors, and the walls probably. We're gonna decorate it, of course, because we cannot leave it like that. We're trying to put the lights on the ceiling. First of all, we're not gonna do the idea that we had to put them all like this in the holes. Because first of all, we don't have enough light probably to fill up all the holes. Well, and some other ones are gonna go deeper in, some other ones are gonna be lower, and we don't wanna have it so symmetric. So what we wanna do is, as you can see already, there's a circle. Gonna go like this, go all over and do some circles there and come back there. So it's gonna be like asymmetric, but I hope it looks good. So far, so good. But how will we stick it on? So far here it's sticking good because you can push it in, but as long as the wood is not getting, like the light cannot go on the wood, and we want to do the circles and go on the wood, it's not sticking on. It's my problem. Because that glue, this here, we're using that, but you again forgot to close and we will not have any glue. I don't know what that is. How's it called?
All-purpose glue.
It says it can glue a lot of things, but the problem is that we're gonna push it up. I cannot sit like here for
and it
like
dries 24
20
hours.
minutes and have my hands on, or wait 24 hours like this. We have that stick down there sitting, trying to hold the weight because they're very heavy, the lights, not like simple LED lights. They are LED lights, but not super light because they're in rubber, so they're pretty heavy. So we're trying to release the weight with this one, but we can still not stick it on. Well, now we tried it with double-sided tape. That's working. But I'm afraid the double-sided tape and the moisture, because it's a bathroom, is gonna I don't know, not stick anymore. So we're trying to figure out how we're gonna stick it on. Because you cannot even put a nail, because you cannot nail this one. You cannot put zip ties because it's gonna look ugly. The only reason I want to say, how's it called? The only way to stick it on is with glue. But the glue is not sticking on.
They look beautiful though.
I know, they look pretty nice on the camera as well. So yeah, I like the idea that they tried to make them all around and to make some weird shapes, but circles, and not put them in like this because that would look very serious. So I want to do something more creative, and I haven't seen that anywhere because I was looking on Pinterest how to stick on lights, and I haven't seen that. All of them make them straight in. So I really don't know how we're gonna stick them. I'm gonna keep you updated whenever we succeed in something. So far we have succeeded on those parts. That's it. Once we have succeeded. The rest, you know, I was.
Or should we keep the old light like this?
Well, we still want to put lights on, like around the mirror to have like, you know.
This mirror here, it's so shiny.
What?
Huh?
There's no mirror yet. Let us know if you want us to put, because this video is gonna go probably online before the other one. Should we put a circle or a square mirror?
Circle.
I like a circle.
Answered.
So.
Good.
Good, but we want already to buy a mirror.
Look at our shower. You can just shower here, underneath, and just where it all leaks on the ground, soaks in, and goes to the Mother Earth.
No, you can just try to aim it in the hole.
Yeah, with your pee-pee.
Okay, so...
This tiny hole.
I don't know. Still don't have a shower.
We are way too creative to have normal bathroom, like normal people.
We changed the whole plan. As you can see, the wood stick is gone. And we are using... is that called string? What is that called?
String, yeah.
String.
Wow, it looks epic in the camera.
So we are putting this one. We have some longer ones and some shorter ones in some places. So the light goes even lower. And with that we can just create a lot of weird shapes that we want. Well, we don't have much light left. But that is working out. That is going very well. The only thing is not good that we're making black holes on the tree. Well, theoretically it is a tree. On the wood. But so far it's going pretty good and I hope it looks good as well. So now we're gonna go on. And we don't need to stick that much. So we're gonna go on here. Do probably like another circle here. Because I wanna have circles where it's important. Like toilet, mirror, and a shower. We're not gonna put any light there because that doesn't need to be light in the boiler. And there's not gonna need light because there's something else gonna go there. It's gonna go light on its own. So we need light on the important place. Like there it is. You don't need light there. So let's go. I really want to finish it because I'm hungry and I said whenever we finish this one, we'll eat food. Does it look good like this?
Yeah.
I guess you're shining up the boiler.
A bit.
Do you realize how circles work?
And we need a big one here as well, right? And then a small one here.
What are you thinking?
That's what I'm thinking.
Never know, maybe the toilet's broken. Maybe you do. Why could be? You need a circle.
Here.
What is this one doing? You want it like that.
This here then?
It's at the end, Bobby.
Here?
Yes.
Here.
All the string.
The problem is that it doesn't. Wait, yeah, fix it up.
Well, it's okay if we put
Okay.
it down.
Okay.
Here, roughly?
Yeah. Ta-da! How do you like it? Can you even see it?
Yeah, looks really good.
It looks amazing. I really like it. On the picture that I sent to my mom, it doesn't look that nice. But it's very bright, very beautiful, and I like it. And if you close the door behind you, that's the light we get. We don't get any light from anywhere else. It's pretty much dark upstairs. So we don't get any other light.
This wood is shining a bit in the camera. It looks really cool because it's like shining both ways.
Yeah. Yeah, it shines. That's why I like on the hanging idea and not stick it on because it also, I don't know if you can see it, it shines also from here.
Yeah.
So if you would just literally just stick it on the top.
It's a really weird LED. It shines up and down.
Yeah, it's like a new LED thing that...
It's literally like neon.
Yeah.
Lipon, we have done the lights. The cables are all here. We're gonna now put a waterproofing on. Truly, really no idea if this will work really. But we're still doing it because it was like nothing per square meter, like probably like 10 cents. So it doesn't really cost anything. And it makes that air sealness. You want your air to stay in the room.
And because we have also the hole, so we don't want anything to fall through.
Yeah, as well, the insulation to start falling slowly through or something. So we definitely need some sort of layer between. So this is the giant fabric, which you can make swimming pools out of this stuff. This is pretty much what they use for making swimming pools.
So if you want to buy a swimming pool, here it is. You can just put water inside.
No, you also need concrete on top of it. But
oh, we need to cut that part.
Yeah, we first need to see where it is.
Okay.
And we're not cutting it off, we're just sticking it onto the wall.
Should we put it in like this?
Huh?
Should we put it in like that?
Oh, okay. So, we're laying down the blue tarmac, whatever it's called, but there's something you need to do around chimneys. They have specific, well, truly any of them not burn, but this one's specifically around chimneys.
Isolation?
And you just isolate before the plastic, so the plastic doesn't melt or something, and also keeps the chimney surrounding here isolated. So let me see, how do I do that, because I've never isolated chimneys.
Can you take the plastic away a bit, because I can't. Oh. Okay, like that should be fine, no?
Cut it. Take this part off. It's falling on its own. Cut a bit off. Something like that. Don't really know how to hold it on the best way.
So we decided to put the expensive isolation because we realized that bathroom is very important and needs to stay hot if you want to have nice hot showers.
This is a rock wool thermal insulation. I think its thickness is only 50.
But it has the thermal thing, so I think
But
that
it has
should.
thermal, and rock wool is much better than
Glass fiber. Wool. Well, no.
glass mineral wool. I mean, there is some glass ones that are close to the same statistics, but this one doesn't lose its values over years. It has around 0.30 on the scale. I don't know exactly the measure meters for the heat transfer yet, but it's very low. It's one of the lowest, especially this one with the thermal barrier extra. This one is like extremely good.
And we got it discounted.
We got it 3 times less the price, just because it's missing its packaging.
Can we catch this without gloves?
Yeah.
Oh, I wanted it on both woods, that's what I was saying.
Ah, both of those woods?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's smarter. Can you help me move it so we don't break it?
Put
Put it a bit more. And then push it in, like that. Try not to make too many holes, because those holes...
I didn't make any holes.
Like with your fingers, like I did. Make it more... Oh, you're doing it softly. Smart girl.
Yeah, so that's it pretty much. I hope you enjoyed. And if you have any questions, any comments, anything, comment down below. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you next time. Very good.